Hi, hello, namaste. I'm Siddhita. I make videos on agriculture, food, travel, decor, and many more. In today's video, I'm going to share three types of dalgona coffee. Yes, of course, the dalgona isn't trend, but I'm bit late to do. To know how to make these three types of dalgona coffee, then watch the video till the end. बैठे क्या करेंगे करना है कुछ काम लेट्स हैव dalgona लेके प्रभु का नाम In my way, this lockdown is the best time to do this dalgona as it requires bit more time. Hope the video will be helpful for you as well as fun to do. If then don't forget to press on the like button. Even one like means a lot to me. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Please do support as the channel is in growing period. I did this dalgona with both white sugar as well as brown sugar. So here I am sharing some of my experience. Doing this dalgona is not my first time, it's second time. So whatever the failure I got in the first time, I have modified a bit and doing this. Number 1 is if you have the availability of brown sugar, then just go for it instead of white sugar. Number 2 is just go for Nescafe instead of brew. If you will compare this with the first one, the color as well as the binding property is good in the first one as compared to this. First one I have used brown sugar along with Nescafe and here I have used brew with white sugar. As I told, I did two types of dalgona, so here I took two types of bowl where I took 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery as well as sugar to each. Pouches of brew is equal to 1 tablespoon, so here in sugar I have added 4 pouches of brew and in the brown sugar I have added 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Add 2 tablespoons of water to each bowl. Here you can see I have added all the required ingredient to each bowl. Here you can see I am breaking the jaggery so that it will mix well. Here in sugar you no need to give extra force. Here you can see me and my mother started mixing this. Doesn't matter more than the way of mixing. I mean to say if you are good in mixing then you can make it in 30 minutes also. Total process we nearly spend about 40 minutes. First 15 minutes it will start changing its color and be patient, don't worry, it will be good at the end. Here you can see the result after 40 minutes. Mix the solution until unless you are not getting this type of consistency. You can see even I am throwing it but it's not getting out. Now the paste is totally fine to go for the next process. Meanwhile my mom is giving some tips, so let's have a look on it. Here you can see she have turned the plate into one side. Just telling don't move it overly and with the help of back of that spoon just rub in one place. Everyone may have their own tips and tricks, so we did how my mom was telling. Cover both the paste with brown sugar as well as white sugar is perfectly ready. Take 3 glasses and add 2 ice cubes to each glass. Once you have filled the milk, go for adding the paste. If you want sweetness, you can add half tablespoon of sugar to each glass. can see in the first glass I have added the brown sugar paste, and in the second one I have added the sugar paste. So what to do in the third one? So let's have a look in this process. I'll add 1 tablespoon of coffee and sugar each. After that add 1 cup of water. Mix it well by using any spoon. Once the sugar have mixed well, transfer this solution to ice cube tray. Place the solution in freezer for overnight. Say the last glass of dalgona is for lazy people. Some ice cubes from this and add to the last glass. So here is the lazy dalgona also ready. Done with the process, go for decoration. It will vary from people to people, so I don't have many things to decor, so took 1 tablespoon of amul and decor like this. Have some chocolate pieces, you can decor like this as well. Here are some final tips. Don't take the fork, just take the spoon, and instead of glass just use some steel one.